everybody. Today we're making bread. I have here spelt and millet and oat.
Spelt, millet, and oats all mixed together. Huh?
It's about 3 cups, and we'll grind this. And then if you don't have a grinder, a mill, then just buy the flour. It's a whole different taste, but it's still better than buying bread, which you don't know what's in there. Even they have a list. So we have here, I will put some caraway in there, some real salt, some white yeast.
You can see our other video on how to make that.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. And some water. So we will go to the grain mill here. So now it's done.
Wow, that makes a lot. It smells good too.
So this, these 3 cups are now like a good 4 cups, which we put a little bit aside, so we don't put everything in here because we need a little bit later. Yeah. So this. We put about half of this.
That's the yeast starter.
Look how fluffy.
Yeah.
It's like so fluffy.
It's really alive.
It's really neat to watch. I would say I always do it by hand. About like that much, which is, it should be about 1.5. Yeah, that's good.
1.5 tablespoons of
teaspoons. And then let's measure this too. In this case, I would say about like this. Some caraway and this a little bit, and then here we have like about 2 cups of water, a little less. So, and I take this. It's like a dough hook. Sorry.
You're adding water slowly.
Yeah.
Make sure
Yeast.
it doesn't get too wet.
Yeah.
And using the end of the wooden spoon, the other end.
Yeah, so this is a no-knead bread.
No kneading.
Yeah, so you just actually mix it. You see how it comes together. We like to get.
Oh, I can really smell it.
Yeah.
All these different. So it's spelt, oats, and quinoa. Millet.
Millet.
Spelt, oats, and millet.
Yeah. You see how it makes a nice ball here. Make sure it's nicely mixed and it shapes itself.
There you go.
Yeah, look at this, how pretty. And then we put
A little more flour on top.
yeah, a little bit of this, and and what's excess we put to the side, and then we get a plastic bag.
We're just covering now. Not too
And
much
now
of
we leave it for like about 3 hours to rise, and then we can do the next step and then bake it. So see you later. Hello, back here in the Intuitive Kitchen, and this is the
Wow.
bread dough after 5 hours of rising. One can test it like this,
Wow.
you see. That's a
really,
good sign.
really coming up.
Yeah.
Great.
So we take it out and put some flour. I just milled it, and we just take it out because it will rise for another half an hour before baking. It's a beautiful,
Natural yeast.
yeah, wild yeast.
Wild yeast.
And
Fresh ground organic grains and water and a little salt and some caraway seed. Yes.
yeah. So this is our bread dough.
Uh-huh.
It's nice and elastic,
Beautiful.
and we don't like to have too much flour in there. So we just shape it kind of like this.
Lots of air
Yeah,
and the wild yeast.
yeah. And then,
We're just doing a little kneading.
yeah, just to shape it nicely
Okay.
without flour.
Not adding more flour.
Yeah. We use the flour to put at the bottom, and then a little bit on top to make it rustic. And then put it into,
To the baking paper pan.
yes. And now this has to rise for another half an hour.
Okay.
And in between, like in 15 minutes, I will start the oven on 400 degrees and put this in. So we'll see you then.
Great.
So now we're back in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And here we have the bread dough, which was like about 30 or 45 minutes for rising. And here it is.
Now it has
Look how
risen.
beautiful.
Wow, that's really big
Yeah.
and beautiful.
Yeah.
Great. Now
So
you can bake it.
the oven is preheated for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. So we'll put this in
Great.
and put it probably about 45 minutes. So
Great.
we see you then.
Great.
So here we are. Our bread should be finished. It went like maybe 45 minutes.
Great.
So we'll
Ooh.
see.
Smells good. Oh, look at that. With wild yeast.
Yes.
Mmm. Beautiful. There it is. What a nice loaf.
Yeah.
Mmm. Rose well, huh?
And it's nicely baked at the bottom. Yeah, it has that hollow sound, which is a telling us that it's finished baking. So this is our bread. It's oat, spelt, millet, and wild yeast with caraway.
Can't wait to try some. Let's see how it looks. Wow. Beautiful.
So
That's
this
really
is
a good European bread.
it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Enjoy.